Gona le nngwe futhi yo trenda ba re le gunshot ya bumper mo wena.
O di tsebela ka yona tletše.
Ba dula 10 years yena ba dulang yena then jiggy I was raped and motho a tshwariwe. So but then that's the story for another day.
A se re modimo a nyaka gore tao o tšere metsi a dira wine.
A zanga re tawang wa jere metsi a dira wine yes.
Wa diretseng first of all. Wa diretseng.
Mara wine eo ya o tau.
Go ka se 0% alcohol. Go ka se ala 3 months maka e Zimbabwe or whoever la buya khona. Serious.
No, you
Serious.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that.
We wasala kanjani country longasi yakho uyivula kanjani file ungana 8 years South Africa bamba isikuta sepizza bathi baka mistratini masivela kanje aphosiliza imshaye ya
Bengaba fike spam yona besilanda nje stina la kubokutshisha. Do you think it's fair or like batho ba kube motho wa kwantle kwa sepetlele o le pregnant?
Which one is this one? Sila. 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 Location. Sila. 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 Location. Sila. Ewe. Sila. Etse. Mira. Eita. Hola. Conres. Boga. Let's roll. Waza. Just vibes. Hola. Live life. Mila. Location. Sila. Sila.
dia tshwenyeletse tša lena ke ka mo a re ka shoota ka yona kwa re ke re ntse re shooteng re pake mo computereng ke process la e bolelela ke re ka tseba ene ka mo South Africa ba re ba iturisha mara cheap ka nageng tse dingwe o kara o ke o kwala wena o bolela futhi o re shem ona choice what's what yeah o tsa la ngaho spa Ora ko pe ko sta o re ko ra kwala re kwala wa reko ye na mara ke rasa vele tse boro ke go tlella jwa
ke tlhana bona plan
okay oh love to welcome back Bafethu njengomgogo ke we are back Bafethu just like not your father we are here we are back welcome to we are here #Sela podcast and comedy angitshela ngana ngitshela ukuthi mangikhuluma ngiyazizwa wayathi yes this is your host ke ayeye na kana la madi ya mna msipidi ga itsa mapula na masakga chepis na boy ke mokale pheko se se wonga ga isko ke shake nna ke ngwana tšea gala ka modira matepe sa mtšea kidi a ke chabe ba diteke no ba ke compana se lile tsenya se mo
oh go tswetse nna ke bolela gore se le ke a mogala gore nthunya ke tsene
Yes, bafethu, as always, angihambe ngi-one. Manibona i-ghostman yethu on the camera, kumele nazi ukuthi i-host yethu bafethu, the captain of the ship, is still busy. Baya-release today, i-album yabo iyaphuma today, so they are still busy bafethu. So I'm having you at the ghostman bafethu. Still the resurrection day for our ghostman bafethu. Give it up to your one and only bafethu, the writer bafethu, the comedian bafethu, YouTube thespian bafethu. Give it up to your one and only uMataimi. Indoda efiki uyibiza bhanarha ifika izolo ihlezi ngidida lento yakho sibani. Yeah. Isifi yasibamba vele lesikhathi ngoba bakabazi bona. Ha. Guessa ke today ukuthi siphethe bani? Siphethe nenye. Ngiyakhala. Ha, bafethu akusona noko kwena Hanilucia ne? Your stage name.
Hanilucia.
Oh, okay.
It's not exactly that. At some point, I go mama kana mpicha honey.
Oh.
Because it's sweet like a honey. So,
Are you really sweet like a honey?
honey, mama.
Okay. Okay, bafethu siphethe yena uHanilucia bafethu. She's a writer if not mistaken. She used to be a thespian if not mistaken. Used to be what foot?
Model.
A model, just imagine bafethu, still beautiful bafethu. Give it up to one and only the beautiful Hanilucia in the house bafethu. Izongidida lento le.
Judge like go jump ke bana re ke gunshot.
Yeah. Leka tso sukela batho ke.
Mangenna.
Eh.
Oh.
Jalo jumpela ngo tseba hore o sukele batho.
Ke dula kae? Ke dula Tembisa.
So how do you Tembisa ro sa tjone nje? Nna re dikaetša re sa tšhaba ra tseba re mo ka ba tšona ve.
O phela le ready le go kwa dikolenyana tša distance. Ba o phela nya go tlhodimela go bona re ka manga tšhintšhiwang today. Maabane bile ne ke boletše this other video girlfriend this other guy wa gangster. I think quite a ba mo direla surprise birthday party. So ba tsena ba tima ba bone wa tsena o tsere sethunya gae he ba dira surprise na se cockile
yo
o tsana le rena re dulang Tembisa se ka re direle le surprise no mpo jare ke tlo diela surprise bona surprise se ka khumana ke go
ka khumana se tšego le sethunya o tlile le sona. Oh. Sorry, hey. Yeah. Today re ka bolela Spain. Nitshela ukuthi sikhuluma isiZulu la ngithi.
Bolela lo jela tša sereto wa moko.
Awa.
Awu kwese o no dimela betha matsa.
A betha di flate o ka wa go komtla.
Wena we practice.
Wa take my pick.
We practice jega we tšere gae.
Oh, wena ena se sereta sa ke zen ke sereta sa ke no tšea kwale kwa tse dingwe ke direte tša mataiseng tše dingwe wena a sa ke re ke tšere kwale kwa ka.
I was worried ke sa le ya no mo tsentse motho mo di practice tša sereto go ka mpotšiša no. Go ba go botša no there's a mixture family this family kana ke tsebe se. Mara it's fine ka ba ke re.
Le sa mola o se.
No zore mina tlo e dirang kae I don't know.
Ba mola le bina tlo.
Aninga mara nami ngizoziluma namhlanje ngibulele lespeed.
Yeah, today re bolela Spain. Are ena re asisibulele ra se bolela. Ra se bolela.
Ngibulele.
Moro o taola bola e language ya wena. Yeah. So re botse Lucia. Since ale mala le mo di camera you should know where she's hired Buffet. She's gonna be working with us from today Buffet. Starting from today. Is either like behind the camera or like on the skits on our camera Buffet too. Yeah. So re botse or kitchen, yeah.
But ngesilungu welcome uzobapheka.
Yeah. She'll pick
o phega ai go mo contracting le draft lo contract o tlhoka o phega le nna ke tlo phega
are fuck just no ke culture ya mo.
It comes with additional payment. Oh, gape nna a ke faka CV as I can work well under pressure or ke
more work under pressure bo
emotional intelligence as ke bule
motho a le late o reka too late
yeah
ya coke o nwa beer o ba rekela beer son think actually bo santse re tlo ba le meeting just because of two boy ayo K-Soul ayo ba re ke Mamvini ayo we can't do the meeting so kumele senze WhatsApp group angazi ukuthi uThubo yenza njani ngoba yena kana WhatsApp sikade roba tu
ke roba ke taba ya cold drink le jama magule ndi shop oh na le special ka kwa sa di cook 6 100 and something rand
okay
ke tla no direka ka be box
boxer
o tla no reka wa be o ra go rohletse
6 ya
ke na le tendon
ai ke thoma wana motho no beer ta cold 6
again cold drink ka re ke rekela just in case
okay
not to again ke enwa mara not come home
so since ku vusha ke roro o re ke sheditseng mo we are here #sila podcast and comedy
ke tlisitse lo ke fresh ke dintšhwa tsa tsamaya trendy
oh yes
yeah the touch of joy le need a touch ya a woman
a woman's touch ne
lady of the house taba ke le teng
ai vele ke neng re bereka le banna ba
umama sendli
yeah o zaba mama senkini o mama we are here bafethu yeah sure re mo re tsoma wena cause vele batho ba ka utlwela voice ora ke a usola o mo botse re morning a pere all black what the four eyes
o tse batho ba ka kwa voice ka ba sa lebella screen ba ka butshwara ke mandoza wa ka ya bala
I could cousin us boo so last episode yakhumbula sikhulume re boletse ka Cwecwe a story of Cwecwe ukuthi bare did go mixed language ka ofela gore bare mina ngitshela ngikhuluma iSpedi around this table behind this table ka itshula la Zulu mara wasekwa Zulu is not like awasekwe
akikizwa next
okikizwa ukuthi abatholanga iDNA yakhe ne so today akutsoa o seng ke bone comment ya utswa from o mmita Katlego o boletse the same thing ke boletseng last episode or there's something fish lapha happen because uthi tabaye is so confusing. They say the DNA of the father and the caretaker was not matched, but when his principal is 10, the DNA is today. The DNA is no more. It's me who doesn't understand the whole story. It's obvious the principal delayed the test and the child was batting every day. Yeah. ukuthi lo muntu lo
and lento le iza kaningi iza ngokuthi angaba bribile lo principal o ngaba vele seyisukile leya evidence leya
nna ke nagana gore o bribile so nagana a kere o thomile a direka maoto o thomile a direka difiti a tšhaba a dotšha na dirang
why
na phetšha eng wa ya sa ya same time o tshwana le driver
o tshwana le driver o tshwana le papa o
aya same time so yena round the weeks na khumana ja di khumanang di lawyer ja di khumanang a phetša mo cause ba re le wile jigi ba re lawyer ra e boletse maka so na I feel like nona le ntwe na e phetša but anyways are you'll never know
obvious o tshore batho ba bribeling ke bona ba mmoditseng gore wena e delay a process just for ba tseba cause re ngwana obvious ba ke mkhapisa every day ntwe ba nyaka nke tsena etsa e nyamalana
yeah or go nyamalala gae na le biza teng yakela di lawyer ra mphodisa di le ka dirangeng di connection
ne
mara kere you'll never know
Ay, mara Mzansi cause nanto makatsa ba re there was this guy ne le nna I do support ntwe ba dirileng gore ba mo arrest. There was this guy who was supporting shit about Cwecwe ya Cwecwe ya gripa what
ba mo dile botse
bam arrestile that guy but why ba sa kgona ho arresta principal a gana ka DNA yae
no tshwantse the minute nje the same day or the next ga thoma go diallo jo gana le o chaba mara otherwise a ke re ba re o chabetša ya kae and they couldn't find him.
How?
Yes, a ke tsere o ile kae a ke sa gopola.
Yeah, ne.
Mara bakabuya why bambambele nokuthi ubalekile.
Yeah.
Hey, exactly.
Because umuntu omhlophe.
Oh, chosa.
Obvious. Why Munzo na commenta ke yo ba khonno mtshwara.
Ka 2 minutes.
But le khoa kile.
Mara ela mishimolla ne le hashe o ka se re no realla no a re safe ka bana ba rena le ditse rena.
O gobaditse ngwana.
Ya o gobaditse ngwana a ke o chabile sa ke re. Me okay, that's why ke re a re tsebe gore the time a le busy a le on the run no go diragalang. A ke re e ko le saiteng a re tsebe gore na chaba a bolela mapodisa na chaba a nyaka di connection then a boya explain la mapodisa we don't know unless if si teng se story.
Na chabela na
o tlo se bolela Spedi o tlo se bolela
I'm just lumalo.
Yeah.
Na chabelang angayenzanga next.
Exactly.
na chabelang a sa di aseng
Mabambambele lokho ke. Beka chabelang angayenzanga next.
Mara if vele phela re go tja DNA ko wena Louis and then wa chaba.
it's obvious
It's obvious or
It's obvious.
nna le ntwe chabela ena ro thola rena le right or ro tshwara.
gona le ntwe ke chabelang ke dirileng or na le ntwe ke chabelang ke tsebang
Ke tsebang,
dirileng finish and clear malume le goa principal no tshwentse bana mo tshwarela re wa chaba ba nje
Vele le yo ba mtshwara lo wa chaba and then ba mtshwara lo rara ba no mtshwara re ke ena phela no ke phela ntwe ka fela e face yena.
Yes, vele ke.
E
mara o
face
mtshwara
yena.
vele one serious no tshwentse ba motswere ke ja re di DNA di sa mecha
Ao.
di dirang court na tshwentse ele taba ya re no chabelang ge o se guilty.
So ka mokgwa ba re di-DNA di nyamaletse it means gore ngwana batho nje o tlono phela without closure without a tseba gore o rapile ke mang.
And o tsebe a ke tsebe the little that I know gore the sperms the semen ka re ha VJJ di dula maybe up to ngana re 7 days.
So chore
O chabile for how long yet?
yo kunini sifuni justice for
Nahani.
to sign ama petition sibala
Nahani.
kunini phela 7 days engile kudala
Nahani.
vele.
And o bona e tlo boela back to this thing ya gore batho ba dutse 2 years ba dutse 5 years 10 years motho a sotswe ka gore I was raped when I was 16 I was gang raped I was whatever and there's no DNAs mara o lebelle banna ba bantši ba tshwere motho o tlile pele a re okay shapo le found rapile it was 10 years ago this what whatever then motho ba motshwara gona no ba boya ka motho a chabileng ka o ja di DNA a swariwe ba re a dina match mara go kgonega gore batho nka se bolele ka mmala gore ke tla re banna ba bantsho black African men ba tshwariwa ke tla no re bangwe ba tshwerwe even after motho a tlile after 2 years gore I was raped.
And vele even ba re ke mang Lerato Moloi o accusitse Tolesmo gore mo rapile after 2 years ba tshwara Tolesmo. Just
2
imagine
years.
the guy lose all of his channels.
Yeah.
He was on but he lentole MTV.
Yeah.
MTV Plus. MTV Plus ekuthele Mnet TV Plus the whole world.
Yeah.
Bamkhatha wonke lama offer bakhatha sibali.
Just
Because of amanga lentombazana le and mamaceda into engicaka ukuthi maceda lo mjidila bamthola ukuthi akekho guilty mara still he has to go back anokho emnyango athi I'm not guilty ngicasheni back just
Aba
imagine.
mo compensate or something for mengwaga ba mtshwereng for how long time?
Ya ko jele just
ba that thing ya re you can have a rapist.
You can have a rapist because batho ne ba bolela ka yena ngwana o la bula le di GoMe fund account ya funda ke batho ba ko ntle so thole se mo ke motho ba ko ntle fela because na travel so batho ba thoma the investors they thoma o pull up ko yena
Or is a rapist.
or ke yena the rapist without even having proof or velo raping.
And it happens a lot. Le ona mo ma celebrity ya rena o khumane my surprise is motho o le motho ba dula 10 years yena ba dulang yena then jigi I was raped and motho a tshwariwe. So but then that's the story for another day.
Hey. No, it's not the story for another day. You have to discuss it today. Sanji look at today.
Yeah, man.
Because ki yo le nota ki wa bona wait kaisa nota ki le yona. motho tsa rong o mo rapile jiki ya re poseng case nna career ka e nyaka mo ke be mo ko yona a ke sa nyaka go ba mo casing a re dropeng.
So ore ba dia batho ba ba boya ka after 5 years 10 years gore mama raped me. Do you think ba boya because ba bona the next person aya ko dimo and they are thinking of revenge?
Maybe.
Or I can't watch this person
Ke jealous, man.
No, it might not be jealous. O khopolo hore wena no gidula mo kasi. The minute ke tla ke re lefa ne ke level lefa ne le house party and lefa le tshumja ba ijere ka force. Do you think ge ke ya kwantle?
Was some reporter at that time, same time?
That's what I'm trying to say. Ge ke tlo ya kwantle ke re ne ke le house party level lefa le tshumja ba ijere ka nkane. Ba tlo re ya na ile diang the house party.
Never, but nyana bana le support when it comes to rape. But for rebel, ba mo rapile, serious.
Lena, you will think like that because of no thoma bana go social media gore yes re na support. A lot happens. Dilo je dintshi dia direga gona batho ba bangwe ba re ba ba inviter ke tsamaye ka chomiaka ana boyfriend kwa nna ke tsamaye ke mshiele bashimane ba bangwe nna ke go boyfriend nya hai then ba sele ba mo dia je ba mo dirang cause she was drunk and aba khona re ba ka tlapile because there is a lot of judgment gore o rata dilo na ya ka it will always happen and you know gore it happens. You
Yes,
know,
so-
as much as le nagana gore re na le support or the minute ke tlo re lefa on rapile ke tlo ba le support maphodisa this maphodisa that a gona le engwe ya re bo makhelwane ba re ra motse ba lushia wa barabya re mo tseba lushia o tsama boshiu ra motse lushia o dropile ke college 2 in 1 week bashimane ba different so nagana re go itja ka e lo re vele ne bula bo sentine bo ka yes it's fine
So botso re vele
it's
ba
hard.
bangwe vele ra re ba rapiwa ba bangwe vele a ba rapiwa cause yena vele ya direga ene ya direga gore vele o dule le motho o jole le motho mo rape a ska o reporta just because of fana na gore go change but at the end maybe after maybe 1 year a ya o tshwarisa re phela motho o one rape just have
mara dula ai re ke khoma that's when
nami into engisafuna ukubuza ukuthi ukurape kanjani nihlala endlini eyi-one
kahle
Umfazi wakho-
phela immediately umfazi makathi no wena ma uyifoster is rape. It doesn't matter ukuthi umfazi wakho umlobolile awumlobolanga ukuthi wena uzoyithatha ngenkani wakhe lo mzimba lo immediately makathi no une right ukuthi no
o ka re ke nyaka mofaya o ka re ke nyaka
fana nalo mfana lo wakaSonia Mbele naye i-case yakhe nentombi yakhe bekanje ukuthi bebajola labantu labo kodwa bekamripa somehow because lo ntombazana bekamtshela ukuthi but I told you to stop and he didn't stop.
what's that gina lilo that are going through my mind right now like gore as much as ge itla go rape re supporta bashima banyana but ka le lengwe we must look at bashimane le bona because there was a time ne ke nametse taxi ne ke bereka kwa Randburg ne ke nametse taxi ke tsamaya le ngwanyana mongwe so like I ka mtloela that much we just know each other gore re namela taxi and stuff and ngwanyana la kara conversation je na di tshwere ka go bolela le bashimane she told me le si wa bona taxi re dula bana ka she was like na ngeke ke tle ko wena the whole night then o scampha mavuso bona re engwe thoma kae
yo
yengwe thoma gona mo ya re nna katla wa semphe mavuso ke a tsamaya go reporta rape ene go botsa re sa tloga gore so ka ra mphe tšhelete police station and obviously msana batho mshimana batho tsenja mphe tšhelete because wa chaba because ge ba tlo fitla ko police station go wina mang ngwanyana
obvious
so ge re ba le this thing ya o supporta rape and re nya go tlisa justice to other people re ska tlogela lo lebella ela ya hore some girls are doing that to guys and o khuma lori gona le mshimane ngo dilo ka make station 7 ne sela tshwariwa le yena for ntho a sa dirang o tsamaile le ngwanyana from groove a tsamaile ngwanyana from groove yena a tsere ngwanyana wa rekisa yena nna re nna ke ditopetse ngwanyana ke mo reketse di stropes re rekile re no le re shapo ba re fitla ko ntlong o re o dumetse mara the fact re ngwanyana ka o sa nnanya ka tšhelete and ana tšhelete re nole ka moka maabane the whole night ke rekela bona ke rekela lechomja ka re have fun o tsamaya le nna ena ga fostele ke that thing ya gore o tsamaya le nna o na le reverse lab le dilo jo change ka rabe go bontsha this is what you do but yena ba that thing ya gore okay it's fine ke ngwanyana a tsamaya and the guy was arrested ka 2017 2018
yo and still sikhulume ngayo lento leya khumbula ngaze ngathi kunabanye amantombazana futhi baberekishana le bona amaphodisa
Yeah.
Nana so
serious go na le batho ba le gore ba tseba gore ge Lucia a ile monateng ge ke swara Lucia a ile fitlha mo nnanya ka 2000 nna ke ra ke nae o ya maphodiseng a fitlha maphodiseng o tšea diporojae tsana tša maphodisa tsena ba ile o tla le bona mo a fitlha mo ba le gore ba ntshwara or e se ke a bribe le nyaka bokae 3.5 ba tsere modimo 3.5 1.5 ke ya bona 2000 ke ya Lucia
ane bothata ba maphodisa rena again gore re dila fotlhe maphodisa a oreng ba dia tšhelete ke
ba kwana le tšhelete too much o ka ra ba gole o ka re ba gola ka bribe fela wa tseba ke
neng ka di 5 tša April I didn't want to talk about this, but it's fine. And I get highlight. So now we went out. No, like a baby shower ya Chumiaka the later on Raya Groove after Groove got my 12 for a request book this thing. Gitimile, Gimana Largana. Oh, good. So Groove got 12 for a request Rabuka online. Re buka online ra fitla ke guest house go sharp o tle batho ba ko ntle and na me friendly person ke fitla kwa bona le baka mohare ba re no the other room is still busy ona le massage session ase massage session go rekisiwa mmele
how
so banyana ba berekang kwa the staff sa kwa ba rekisha mmele ka maram that place chomi ya go bona ke bona chomi ya ka ba so ba same time thomo chu. And if it wasn't for her, not very feeling friendly and rasa, I was gonna take the shots because when you know oh, you guys still waiting, no baby shower more and stuff. But I got the shot. I got my start game, but I got the shot. If I was alone now, I was gonna take it because I'm thinking they're being friendly. Chomi agar rasha but rafa di brutal fruit. I wanna rocky sharp. Chomi agar garwana was sense. Then I know go chomo ba so by same time. Maybe na lapona ke ba happy and stuff. So later on, I got go topic nya maphodisa o ja di bribe. So later on, re lo robala ba fetša ba diang ra bona ra mo go busy wa phethesela ba rekishiwa. And there was this other girl when you know tlile go nna and she was like only 18, I can't say her name o jwa lempopo, she's pregnant. I don't know pregnancy ke man cause wa rekisa ke pregnancy ke mang and that re tlhalosetsa ke gona mo re thomang go bula matlo. Ke a thatša nka se botse ka mo ka spray. Then Raten, her than go Rumunyara and was like, I don't know about Vuma 1. In the Fitluk of Vuma 12 sharp. Herzena Rumunyako room, key. The guest house, red flag, another red flag. Because you know what you before. So Munyago au key. Hernyago Patela, the account when you know Fangjona, Adiberegi, like give business Avian, Adiberegi, but like okay, it's fine, because Runyago Rabala. Chumiagar no, it's fine, because Runyago Rabala. Patela in the morning. Sharp. Re robala kwa na ibile ke thomo boifa ke retšhone robala 1 hour o tsoge le nna because we can't sleep munyako okay and then re tša sofa like re tša sofa ra bia khabota ka mora ra khia munyako la ka di sofa ai ke lebella Nigeria ke continue ka sip ya wine ke vipa ke sipo ke wine ke vipa then jiki ke betha ka bongwe boroko gore ke lebeji bona gore ke gadile my friend Robert sharp bona mpetha hanyane sa mfetjwa ntshwara so go mnyako ke thoma o tsho gore ntwe ne re nahana it's happening because chomeka na re human trafficking ke suspect mo so I go kokota ke thoma o tsho gore shit and it's happening ke a shake or no it's happening I'm that person who get react after nako like ke thoma ka process chomeka already tshogile wa jumpa shabo mo nyela re no gona le tšhelete ka mahara khabot o bia bjang di personal belongings tša hao ka ra room e re patletseng okay ra nana re ke fine ke bula khabot ga lebello ke pesa bolelang ka yona ya gona ra mulela mnyako are why did you lock the door ra ibo mnyako o kill re loka ka sofa ka sorobele like this respect our privacy sharp no ke thoma o tshoga beno gore gona le banna ba bolela ka montle a ke tse what's going to happen when la ja phesela bula o thomela rona shelter client sharp jigi shelter high abula phese computing I be akwa are there was 4,000 in here where is it ka fela matla ka thoma le chogola fela gore okay sharp this person o messa around mara at the end ke nahana gore what if ke the thing ya re ba tlo re 4,000 la hana o ipatela re dirileng so until le phetcha 4,000 eo. So are 4,000 wa nkwetisha ene I'm that person where he chuile he like akenya go viwa kara position ya re ke a chuwa cuz yeah ke react ka matsogo ke re chomi ska mo entertain motho chomo go explain or no 4,000 ya mucho re ka 4,000 ra fetsa ra robala mo cuz re popile room ya lena and it is like 600 rand ke kumana 4 hour ke tsamaya I'm not leaving I can leave anytime ka botsa re no ra tsamaya yona le emergency ra request ra tsamaya re ka 4,000 ra fetsa ra robala mo sa re were ka react ka matsogo ke nna ola ke tshugile yona mme ke ga mona madi bere ke tshusha ke tsena jo re fola maphodisa ba re jiga maphodisa fitlile ka 7 re thomile go fola ka 3-4 maphodisa la fitla kwa a ba bolelle rena the owner that guest house went out a ba tlhakanetse a bolelle bona are no they are inside it's a couple ke nna le tshomi ya kana go I know it's a couple so I can wake them up mara situation is sorted motho la o tsamaile whatever maphodisa la tsamaya and nna ke busy mo phone a tsamaya they don't want to get inside ba bone hore this person called are mo checking
gore bene vele ke molao vele
no I'm thinking hore ba tsere bribe from the guy if I didn't go outside cause now already ne ba le kokoleng ba tsamaya ba itre ke ya kontle ebile ke ba ro
man busy
you can't do that. You don't even ask to see the person who called. What's gonna happen to me? Because if I call and then they're gonna go back to the station, but situation is then sister, come down, you can sleep. Like I extend they are happy. Like I extend you stay, they have the pool. No, you can't do that. We couldn't even go out. No, if I'll never feel that thing. You're okay. Sharp receive in a letter. Maya.
Yo.
Gabashoro, okay, sharp mo. Bribe you. Garana mogi and get a malina. But okay, yeah, let's go. But am I?
Like,
so imagine if chomiaga zanga wula le faster and by the way get to go cause go nele batunyana ba mo farina gere ke gwa gona muntu wa manna mano bolela ga steady ke a tshoga re mo someone is here chomiaga tlhodumela wa ba bona re ke bona gere yeah so nka bere ska ba bona no go ile diragalang ka le rena
ana o tshore vele ba tlo etso ja bribe
obvious o tlo ja bribe mara la bona ke ditlala wa ba sa tla go rena itlise ba re bontsha re ke sha ba re fitlile then ba je bribe ka mkhoba jang re khona
ba sana taba re motho tse mo fele mmere go na le taba le mmere kwa
ntole ne ile continue ga brape that guy na ile boya go ntlong a bolle jere belang cause the mind the guy was we're gonna sort it out ra search up like re dia something ra bona re sort bang out what if ba bona okay mo nnete 4,000 ranya ka ba bona ba re pina ka something else then ba re human trafficker mapolisa a tlile tsamaile ra fone ka 3 a fitla ka 7 a tlotsa ma ka 7 re sa ba bona imagine if ne re le ko back room like go room ye ne le ka moso
so ra re vele nthe women trafficking e alive vele
like leading guest house no
hey
guest house no
yes
okay dala ma uber la was tata wa wasekho safe
yeah I want to maintain
yes
and at some point I get to fast because I was like re ke go epong ke dirile go booking.com so I was like re ke go epong ki mwale whatever experience that I had then gana re mara ta khona re ke ba accuser wrongly but this is the other thing ya hore we don't speak up wa khona re ke ba accuser wrongly banyana ba le they just them but direla business ya bona hona go but through the doors ringwanyana o la ke lulenglena with regards to the chalet she was like, yeah, now I'm bleeding. You're not calling an ambulance. I'm gonna die. I do everything for you. And okay, maybe the manager, he is the boss, but I don't know how he's doing it.
Maro kralo rabatse le bona velo.
Mang.
Bona go ntongore vele motho mo guesting house o dielo tse di so.
Unless regarding the owner of the guest house doesn't know. But that person, the manager of the guest house, he knows. Come le banyana bana.
So e ona ke ma foreign.
Mm.
Mara if ona ke ma foreign ba tseba.
And the other guy
business ya bona.
was security. Wa bula gate. Ba mo koba bile gore a tsamaye ba. Re ke le go phulong re sa imagine ngwana la a tswa go di massaging ke ne ba bolla ka jona se massage. O tla go nna re yo my sister you're so beautiful, this is not a place for you.
Sure.
So ngwanyana ola she was like oh yena why ungene indaba zam like linyana jam khana and are go yena o ska mind she's drunk.
Sure.
Ngwanyana o ka mo sotho like sotho. Are ska mind anything he says o ska itjela tlhogone, he's just drunk. O rata bolela nonsense when he's drunk. Ke gona mo go bona ngoro this guy nang one and o wonle a lot of time.
Yeah, ne. La bele ya ka.
Ne re
Yana ya go ile.
Baban, ke tore ke buile ba re dirile le tse di wrong ba re rapile ba re patile 4,000 yona ka mo ba re dirang ka ona ka re ke bolela someone a reng
Lebele ya ka.
So
Mara ba tlo jaja. Ko mafellong ba tlo thusa.
auwa o njaje jang
Wa le san thushi before le judge.
why o njaje jang o re njaje go moje ska o mbuja go tsamaya mashiu go dira
Or ntusheng before.
eh
Mola le ntushi tse krele thusho ka judge. Or botse bele ya ka elena.
yeah, mara I think at some point I wanna go it's fine. Low groover it's fine. Ke feel ka re mara tshwantse re fihle to that age as banyana re fihle to that age ya hore re ska isha godimo because we know a lot of things happen at night. Why don't you just over that person wa hore o tswe montshare he dire 8-9 you go home re bona hore le fase le ka se be safe na
Kuruvu mo mnate mo sa thoma re 89 ko ona mo go ba mnate so no nya go bua ga ka 80. E ka se khone.
and e ka se khone midnight e ka se khone
Just re ka se tsebe gore mo yang ta sa ke re na everyone o yang mnating every day. No matter ukuthi uyaphi lifestyle kuphi kucaphansi uthandaza ukucela uNkulunkulu le badimo bayini ba ufetshireleje ba
ke record ke sa ilo tawa
ke sa ilo tawa ao a se re modimo anya go re tawa o tse re metsi a dira wine
a zanga re tawang o je re metsi a dira wine yes
wa diretseng first of all wa diretseng
Mara wa leo ya o tawa.
o ka se 0% alcohol o ka se oh
So kubobutisha, do you think it's fair or like batho ba kube motho wa kwantle kwa sepetlele o le pregnant?
no it's not I don't think it is
wawe sithini le story sakho iqala ngokubuza wawe iqala ngokubuza
Like batho kuna la baqoshe umuntu o pregnant esibhedlela.
yeah gore o bula file
Uyi-foreign.
ka bo ma 120
Yeah, uyi-foreign.
yeah it and it
uqoshe abantu or uqoshe abonesi
Uqoshe abantu baphakathi esibhedlela bathi haya sokufundwa.
manne
no
Ama-nurse,
wabantu nefa the patient
the patient
Yes.
no no it's wrong because le manese I think o tshwantse o bule file o patele di 120 or wara and stuff ka 2018
o e bula jwang file o sena ID ya ka mo South Africa first of all
I don't know how di dira bjang jona Zimbabwean Zimbabwean women chased from South African hospital amid xenophobic abuse. Wow. Okay.
Get a screenshot.
Oh, get a screenshot lagi jago scroll. Heavily pregnant. Heavily pregnant. No, this is the same. A heavily pregnant Zimbabwean woman faced humiliating and aggressive confrontation recently at Pretoria West Calafon Hospital, where a group of South African women verbally attacked her and forced her to leave. The disturbing scene captured on a viral video highlights growing tensions over immigration and access to public health care in South Africa. This is wrong. I don't know. I can't say anything.
It's not wrong somehow.
This is killing someone.
We majwang iseng ka mo country nya o belega jwang first of all ska eno ka mo o belega jwang first wena o sa ipotšiše nteo
So ora batla ka mo baska.
ba ska ima ga ba nyaka ore bega
Remember foot. I don't think. Okay, sharp. Gore baska ima ba fiwe access ya gore ba ilo prevent.
okay a bona gore maybe o setse 2 months or 30 ya gae o tetela gae plus these days ba bangata
ba teta ba tshama 7 months
ama premature la
what if na
or maqala 3 months maka eZimbabwe or whoever la buya khona serious
No, you
serious
No, you
Why?
can't do that. You can't do that.
uyozala kanjani country longasi yakho uyivula kanjani file ungana 8 years South
Wena go
Africa
ya country engwe go expect her go treat the same.
what's wrong ke bolela so
Why?
there was a woman right now se story sa khale ke sa no wa ka South Africa o bereka go Zimbabwe o na ke tsona ne ba re tshore ke ngane da medication ebile ka ba ka butsa gore medication eo na need a sore Zimbabwe ne sna yona na because ra tsore Zimbabwe puo ba ra e ona medication la ka mola mara ba moditse gore tsamaya go country ya o nya ka medication the day I can come it was already late a ba hlokofala mosadi ona
Guys,
so re na re kaela re
so okay
No,
okay
let's get tension
Mo-
and let's
nna
get like
kopa ho
that.
botšiša,
Botšiša.
kopa ho botšiša nna.
which
Ah, botšiša.
Ke fault ya mang gore ba kubile my sister ole kwa Zimbabwe a tla ka
ya ke fault ya Zimbabwe le fault ya barking ya minister of health ya ke fault ya
no.
president ya bona ka ofela
No,
ke fault okay ke fault ya ma
so
Batho ra
because
tshwana.
of o tswa ko Zimbabwe ke o shola gore o tswa ko Zimbabwe
Imagine
le re no warna ka shola ro tswa go phela ma Zimbabwe ba nyaka o dira ka rena re ma Zimbabwe ba ndi da rena re ba need why was sentse ba kube motho rena ka kwa bo sentse ba mahenkele with the care lot of care because of rena le batho ba bona ka mo ba tsana sekolo for free ba bang ba cramdende for free ba belega for free medication rena re only that woman needed only medication or a pill
Hey, le fa re tlogele. Ai re tlogele.
mara serious rena re tlaela
Na ke kwane le yona ya di yo ba xenophobic and sa ke kwane.
a ke xenophobic ke ba 50-50 wa a re beng fair wona why ba dira e ba right rena re dira wrong
Wena la go kana re o ba 50-50. Remember, lena ke lena ba le ba stone le but anyways I'm not saying anything with regards to I'm not going to say anything.
nakhona lo muntu lo uzele ukusebenza la eGoli uphuwa
lo South Africa na ngitheni uyasebenza eZimbabwe
Re a itlogela. No, re a itlogela. Yeo e nyaka yo no, we living it for now. We living it for now on a serious note.
no I wanna if no I can okay I refetse so I wanna if in give
Re
it
fetsa gore it's wrong. And as a fault ya motho. It's wrong. Wa se motho
Nkebe.
ka thuso wa motlogela a egwa.
It's wrong. Okay.
Please.
it's wrong because of ukubile ke di patient nke ba bona e le gore ukubile ke di nurse
It was going to be worse.
ba right ke rana ana idea ya bula file
Me amara mo belege sene mo.
phela wa tsoba west part le ka batho ba botsa ka kwa a bana tsona le ID tsa bona tsa go Zimbabwe west part
O ka se re motho a ke gwa wa dia motho la re gwa wena mo ga ro gwa kae thusa motho le di ja gore wa tshwara tshwenye gore bona ka mara o tsino la ke
re le se batho ba South Africa
mtshwambi
ga nyola o fika ko sepetlele ore ke na le mosadi nya go tetisa ke botsa gore mepete e tletse ke ba bang ke bona ba tlhoka South African documents mara motho o ka o botsa no let's go to school ba ka botsa gore space se ka ditse ke bomang ke bona ba tlhoka South African documents mara ngwana bo rena ngwana mobu o palla go kry education because of batho ba bang ba ka kwa bana le bona ba kry free education ka mo country ya rena rena we couldn't even get the free this spring
nyaka go rekeleng apole go rekeleng meleke or any o jele breakfast
ke jele
o jele no mo
how
mara lo sis lo pregnant like afele nyama ngayidla
thank you
like serious nalomntana lo uzayo just imagine
and I feel like everyone o fela nyama angayidlanga ke bolela le sizulu everyone o fela nyama asayidlanga mo
so
na angisho ukuthi eZimbabwe ba right lento abayenzile ukuthi balethe lo my sister ngayo
and this hatred
wrong.
it's like it fast because the time ke dula this other side ne ke dula le banyana le ngwanyana mongwe like ke le Zambian or something ngwanyana o la re ba le dilo tse di ngata he di direga nna ba le this thing ya wa e bona manento ya banyana. And this other day she got drunk and nna ne vele ne ke le suba. So this other day she got drunk, she was like, yeah, because you think you're a South African you can, and uyachoma wena uzithatha kakhulu because thina we are Zambians, you are taking angikho lapho.
Lena is not like I'm xenophobic. Now all of my friends are
I think this thing before it goes to the higher power o tshwantse e thome ke rena ka bo rena gore okay sharp o ka no rona le tšhomi ya gago ya le Zimbabwe, advise the person gore okay bona di a dipampiri o be sharp o bereka sharp or something.
Hello lo motho lo di pampiri o go botsa gore wena ndirele cause na le ID o dire jwang a sena, especially ba tswa Zimbabwe ba bana tsona le ID tsa ka kwa
not di pampiri tsa ka mo o ya ka kwa o tswa ngwa di passport a kere wa o di abeng di pampiri ka country nge sebeng ya
process mtheo ba botsang yona
e tla ka mona di pampiri.
Yazi into uthi yini ukuyenza amalentuzana amaphepha manje ufuna imali labantu labo
angithi uyenzile imali angithuzile ngapho uyenzile imali ngomgunyati buyela back ke ngoba unemali le ubuyela back uyenza amaphepha
uzasukele usuke ifamily yakhe iphuwa engana nex le mali ayitholayo encane makayisa le ukuthi badle endlini akakhona ukuzigcobisa yena ngokwakhe abe clean.
Okay,
yeah wabona
ngifuna saya abaningi ama-amphetso abantu kakanje ukuthi abathengile roll-on
ngitsibulero ya mo ngakhakaraba please stop please stop
mara ke nto e bolelang gore
angisho kanje mina sengikhombe example
mara sho ukuthi kule mali le oyisebenzelayo uyahluleka nokusave 100 rand le ukuthi day
obereka odiang
ba re tšela mmereko molo mo sebaka ma security le dinyope boys di a balabala ba re ba topa le dithini noa ba sana ba tšetše nyope boy mmere
so wena uyabablame ukuthi bathathela bonyopesi amalentuzana umsebenzi yabo.
No bheka ne mina I don't blame Africans coming to South Africa bazofuna umsebenzi. It's like nathi going to America siyofuna i better living, right? But masingathi ngeke ngifike kwakho hlami ne ngifike kwakho ngicale ngokwenza itiya sengizwa ngawo uzwa ngami wena kwakho ayenzeki ilonto le especially amashona. You know I love Zimbabwe people but I only love Ndebele people, not Shona people. Amashona yedelela was born first of all. Mafika la bayisitshontshela batshontshe imoto zethu sebahamba ngemoto bona mafika la babona bayasinyatha.
bautshontshela moto ba fetša ba o nyatsa
auskama bodi ka re bona ba bereka hati ba se ko motho ba le o tsuka mo 1 month next month se tsana le koloi
mara bongwe shem they do it hard
ba bangwe ra ba tsebela.
Yeah, ba le ba tsebela.
There was a guy loving ngihlezi ngisho own salon. That guy o thoma ka o reka ke sanya go botsa ka yena o thoma ka o reka scooter a reka di frame tsa di aluminium sanya show mo tseba a di isa hae a bua reka koloi ke ba botsa ke re mara ka salon fela ba re konna salon ha o stock dile tse dingata o di profit e ngata exactly only to find out or motho wa utsa ke skebekwa wa rutsetsa mo around mo
I think again answer go balela really re go salon ena only baby dead jamela bela ka rena man ke answering po
o create ena vele motho na utsetsa makhelona ya ya Mozambique re nna ke ya tsamaya ke ga o shalo katile ka mo ena o tsamaya utsa le pillow case
so mawumthuthi lezo tsile besikunda kuyo like beyithwara nenkunzi
sure
ilala sikhathi ba
le blind spell
ona le basebenza ke tsore ka re ba ithuro ngena
like lezo sibenkunda kuyo lezo
bengala ingingiza ingingiza ngathi umuntu o innocent ungeke ngomcabangele iskuta iskuta lo mtshitelo sikhamula ngathi bicycle sibali iphathi ya le lo mtshitelo blind uyabona lo mtshitelo
umpetha combat direction
wena ke uyabotha
ene bongeke umcabangele
angeke umcabangela angithi basebenza hard angeke umcabangela umuntu okwazi ukubamba isikuta sepizza bathi bayakama estradini masivela kanje aphosile izimshaye ya
bengabafiki esibhamu yona besilanda ngestina line
Yo, mawela lekhumba.
ay leyo thile blind uyabona babathi isigebengu unando sinyamrecommend ngaba ngathi recommend isigebengu
Yo.
actually it's one of the best layers
man.
lezi sifuneka kuma bathini kuma money heist lezi ya
phela leso sileya ibambe ikhanda lami ngisaseyintwana encane
cabanga kunini igunda
esibani
sithatha example ngane ngisaba
ngiyasona
Ngiba-
ukuthi icovele inwele zethu yakhenda ngazo
ya
hayi ngiyakutshela
Yo, Jesu.
eh
What's that? Come on, what's up, she? What? Get no, come on, I'm sorry, I got damn
I wonder mafika makubamba uthini because yangingiza phela easy ukuthi umbambe because uyazi ukuthi lo muntu ungikiza ungingiza
nasa
kahle
mabizo ubangani
Bangani.
yo ay
Oh my God.
lokhu lithi basebenza hard bona bayazi ukuthi bayenzani ebusuku thina masile
ubugebengu buningi akusile ntuzana akusabantu bangaphandle nje
ithini bayabona manje
Oh.
ubugebengu buningi but manje benza abantu bangaphange because bana advantage okuningi ukuthi ama-fingerprint abawaziwa ngayini
mara kunale story lesase-KZN so esalentuzana awu ifamily ishonile like umama nobaba nomntana bashonile babulayewa like engathi bekuyi-hijacking
bababulele
yo
wongana ukuthi bangathatha imoto babayeza
Ubona
iphulusha kunini ngifunda mina ngingakhathala usabulele ke londozi
ubona direction. Yo, no way. Yo, mawela lesi specs taka this sweet la ke boy. Ke thome kae? Ke yona e. A horrific shooting incident has rocked a community of ke bolela ka ke sekgowa or ke Ilovu.
Ndlovu
It's Ilovu.
yeah
Oh.
isiZulu sele
Yeah. On the KZN South Coast, leaving 2 members of a family dead and critically injured. The family of 3 was attacked while waiting for their vehicle to be repaired after it broke down in the area. Sorry. According to the early report, the family has stopped near the R603 road when unknowingly gunmen approached and opened fire. The sudden and violent attack forced the family to attempt to flee in different directions. Tragically, the father and the son succumbed to a fatal gunshot wound, while the mother, although wounded, survived the attack and is currently receiving medical treatment. Good job, Johnny.
nganoki ngwanyana re ke mshimane the son ne ke mshimane fa madoda vele kwasaveva umfazi thina uNkulunkulu akasithandi sibaya
Eyewitnesses and emergency services reported that the son attempted to escape by jumping into a nearby property located just below the R603. Unfortunately, he collapsed just a minute later due to the severity of his injuries and was declared dead at the scene. Chomar.
amara shitero bono rode
The father, in a desperate bid to escape, ran several hundred meters from the vehicle but was recently pursued by the attack Nagalabi. he was eventually shot multiple times next to a stream where he died from his injuries. Reports suggested that the
So do you think ukuthi lo muntu lo bekayilungisa imoto kuyi uyo obabamba inkunzi uyo babamba inkunzi or like lo muntu nama enemy vele ngoba phela sobala lo muntu ukuthi bebafuna yena
yona banyaka yena cause bamudubula antshachaba
multiple times not one
and le gona koloi inoba le breakdown vele gona ka mo aretse enoba le rona ke tla re ke what kind of a breakdown if mavile apunchije or something we would
ngifuna
say
ukunderstanda wena mothi lo muntu balungise imoto kuye kanti abasho ukuthi le moto imosheke phakathi kwe-highway
yeah baseyemetse di-repairs and stuff
bayemetse di-repairs
sure
hayi lo mtshita lo obviously
Wait.
thola ukuthi bathu bathola umuntu ofake online yangithola
Oh, yeah.
afika lapha
o tsamaya ka koloi jwang
I nna ke bona go le maphodisa fela mo because more it says the family of 3 was attacked while waiting for their vehicle to be repaired after it broke down in the area. So go ne ba go I can understand ne ba go mechanic already.
they
I
were
think
waiting
they
for
were
their
there
car to be repaired
repaired.
in the area
In the
like
area.
kule how borare ba mo highway koloi ya senyeha or puncha levile
So to be repaired by who?
that's why ke re tsamaya ka koloi e jwang because if e ne ile bo
Okay, yeah.
Benz be ke re emetse batho ba Benz
Oh.
so if ke bo Toyota ba o ra re emetse justice anti example ngitsho ukuthi mechanic wasekhaya
Yeah, and because again, I think in because again it says, according to the early report, the family had stopped near the R603 road when unknown gunmen approached and opened fire. So this was a target.
I never the target
Nearly hit.
if it was a hijacking ungaba fikile kwa fika maybe a re le sekisa kia
Areng-
o ikwetse ke dilo tša o mmona o bontsha batho di-camera o ya sha into yake
Jomiana Ndos.
wathini or maybe o fitlhele kwa a ba mfa di-kia starta e sa start and then a go tsa ra fa o ke le ntlwaela lena mose
Ah, o fitlha, better open fire. Thuntša.
obviously ba tla ba ba emetseng ona mole
Akere koloi
mara
e
if
senyegile,
then if ilo baba beka i-target wayanga dubulanga lo baba ke yaye kumntwana nomama
ba betha ka family.
maybe lokuthi inkabi yena uza angagqokanga mask
manje inkabi isho ukuthi asinama-feelings vele
angazi
Or some other thing is, remember again, gona le this thing e leng gona no ya gore ya di mass shooting motho a fitlha kwa tavern a shooting
heyi wena
randomly. So
khe yenzeka nala kwajack yabona mina
gona mo
ngizonda umgroove mathanda ofika wahla usomnyama yamazi usomnyama azanaye baza bamdubula esibhedlela cabanga umuntu ulwa nomuntu ethembisa uyazi ukuthi umuntu wala eKalfanteni ngizomlanda mafika la akasabuze yena ufika yadubula kuphela ngepholo sibali
wa tsare nna le batho ba bagolo ne re nagana a re nna ke dula le batho ba bagolo. So now le batho ba bagolo we were thinking gore what if this thing e direga because of akere wa bona gore batho no ba thwala and stuff then ngaka ya hao or whatever mo thojeng gona ba go botse gore okay no ke nyaka madi a random people ba 5 wa tseba re obviously ke fitlha ko tlabon papa 5 ya tsho.
hayi mara ke sesenya ke family
kanti mawuthwala lela gazi abalifunayo akusiyo ukuthi uza nalo
asazi uyazi na
Remember ke dilo tse di spiritual gona that thing ya gore as long as o tshollotse madi ka letsogo lao so whatever spiritual thing o nang le yona ka bo yona maybe it's already sucking.
exactly naleyo yokulala ngithi phela mabathu yolala nale gay yolala nalo muntu leya lo muntu leya molala naye is not like wena olala naye le nto leya yona yiyo olala naye donsa igazi layithatha yonke inkanka lo muntu leya
And akere already if you look at the spiritual we can see them sucking blood and stuff.
inzima lento labantu abayinjoy imali zabo laba bakuthala laba
They don't.
hayi
They don't.
mara nithathe mngani wami sibe rich bheka sizokwala kanjani
And
thatha leyo nto ayinabungozi
go dira that thing your aina bungozi it's just the bees mara engine na go ya ba bojore do you think one of the terms and condition mo ba sign a contract or you're not supposed to do this then go ga dia go dira ka so because I feel like the devil wa ba manipulator aba bontšhetše ba nyaka no le bona then tše tša ka mo hare T's and C's
a ba
a ska ba botse ebe the thing ya gore wena you didn't know you're not supposed to do this with child how then we dire and a botse gore go cover up for that sin ke nyaka sacrifice ya 7 pregnant women
ya ne ene vele ka kgonega
or if the T's and C's wa di tseba go no ba that thing ya gore ba re there's a spirit say I vengeful mo batho ba bolaileng or someone is not as restless or whatever so to appease o tshwantse o bolaye ma twins
or sometimes le ona ke re o nyake fele tšhelete eo nyako phela le ona obvious ka tsholla madu tshollotse
mai uyi-enjoya kanjani le mali ulala kanjani ebusuku wazi ukuthi ubulala umuntu
my brother ke na le 40 rand ka ra account o botšiša ma
hayi sengayi
oraro ka re bušia wena
vai enjoya kanjani balala kanjani
bayi-enjoya kanjani like balala kanjani ebusuku
are
bese ngithaba enjoy noku-enjoy imali yabo labantu labo
like nembeza loya
awunanyembeza mo
awukho nyembeza o bolaya go tshwana le this thing ya gore that's why khumane maphodisa ba ba fa di-training and everything and ge nako e ntse e ya they're no longer scared to do it so I think once o no bolaya gae ntho ngwe le ngwe gopole it's scary go thoma go bracular vision go thoma wa fetša mo ko wena go bolaya kgogo for the first time le gona it's scary o feel somehow o e ja kgogo e le wa bona gore ke e bolaile but then ge o ntse o e ya o dia it's just a normal thing you sleep ke nagana so a ke ra o botšiše nna ke nagana so
why ngathi ufuna uyayifuna ndewubuza ngakhona ngathi ufuna information
hayi angifuni information like sengisho ukuthi lesasibindi sebasitholaphi
gona lelo tšele tša 45 a ke re wa kgopola le mazulu a dinkabian lelo tšona ya ba tsamaya dingaka 45 ba diri gore ba se ka kgona go tshwarwa ke maphodisa ba se ka ba tsewa ba se ka ba wiki go na le engwe 40 ya trenda ba re le gunshot ya bumpa mo wena
o di tsebela ka yona diletše ngathi sizobiza elinkabi la
tšatši lengwe ke tšwa last year ke tšwa ko midrand ke name ke taxi ya tšwa boulders ke tla ka mo ke Friday e le ka mma 3 guy o mo pele re dutse mo pele and a chabi like o bolela nje openly and freely o ra bona ngitholile o diyokugcina lana and mtholo ka se mjampo tsa maka siya sa skorokoro se se blue so re tsamaya re balance ke minyako ka mo faso tsena moya o ba like ga nyaya la phera ba richi wena thenge Gordon so hlale naye ungajampisi so motho ba molayang they are close to that person and siyothela inkukhu ngamanzi because avuleli straight mara go thelele conversation wa korwa avure siyothela inkukhu ngamanzi inkukhu mayenza in kasizulu sakini umzulu siyothela inkukhu ngamanzi wara muthengele Gordon simmayizisa mina ngizofika ngesikhathi so bese ningiprepare le moto ngiyiMpumalanga so that means after uthela inkukhu ngamanzi wahamba oya Mpumalanga so bona re no utlwa
uyenzani eMpumalanga
uyoleya down uyenzile umsebenzi
uthelile inkukhu ngamanzi
inkukhu ngamanzi manje bayomuthela ngamanzi
le ga bolela ka dithunya like
mara mazulu fele ke mmere kwa bona ona ka
wa tlengo tlogolo re mazulu rena le tšhumja mazulu ke di shapo gane keng
a ke re bona a re gane dinkabe di shapa ka re le dinkabe le tšona di shapa ke yo ntate wa batho driver taxi driver bošio o ikela mmerekong wa wa o bolaya batho ke mmereko wa bona ena o motshehare o thusa batho right o transporta batho bošio wa ba vaisa
ene mara it's wrong ka se di ga mokgong
ke mmereko wa batho a re respecte mmereko wena o ya o tswa go sengwe ya mmerekong o ka se ko motho a re
no I'm saying azanga re mmereko wa o diang mara it's wrong remember o dia heat should the heat go wrong ka sane ba tlo go ya ba o nyaka if let's say or nkukhu yona ela sithela ka manzi, someone who's doing the same thing as wena wa mo misa kwa dira jaji le ngotlo re tletse ka mara taxi go no fitlha go ba le shooting ra ba re
shine vele problem ke yona yena vele ya
gape yo direga ro le fije mo ke mkhumana gona re better le ka mogare
right baba bulale ngoba like angithi bona bafuna ukuimpress abantu ngezinto abazenzayo bewamelanga ayikhulume lento le ya public
yana nyoko
angithi into ya private
mara ngithi bengayikhulumi like bekhuluma ngeyabuza kasho ukuthi
kunabantu abacava lento oyenzayo
mara bengayikhuluma bengayizi direct what if na bamzo wrong what if bamzo wrong because ayakhuluma ukuthi nyombulalo thesi so thela inkukhu ngamanzi
gona gore engekeng ntwe ena e bolelana ile straight forward a botšisha ka sethu o tshatse baka gore a khone o bolela a khone explain asizulu
siyasho nezulu bathini aswachitheni lamanzi ayikho lenkukhu Otela ukuthi lo mjidana lo live ekayibeka kanjalo.
Wena uyakhola. Nna mthatha baka kra ke khona o bolela setsulu. Ngabe ke khona o se bolela botse go explain no tlo gore ye the thing cause mola o bolela ka sethunya. Ntsimbi ke sethunya. Le go ka re nka
mara le moto ke ntsimbi. Moto mazulu ba bitsa moto ntsimbi nkomo yinga. Ke o botse.
Komo ke ndzu.
Awusana ufika uri ngithole ngicela itaxi Alexander ngena la ngi. Or ngicela itaxi Alexander ngena la intsimbini. Ngicela itaxi Alexander ngena la yeke ke a botsa ba bitsa taxi inkomo ke ntsimbi ke
nga bolela ka go bolaya motho
bana mina ngikubuza ke ungabaleka wona f10 ngama
ke dependa ukuthi
le moto a unya go phuma ka e ba itse bang gore ba o tlisetse moto
phela intingisho ukuthi lo mtshitha ba ngasho inkukhu straight ena ba ka isho bathini ke di figure what figure
speech
hayi ke di figuratives whatever the shit it is yena ba ngasho straight we Bible khuluma ngakhona angithi Bible ayizi straight isibeka le nalo mtshitha ba kayisa kanjalo what alright mara naka sichabele Mpumalanga if so mara vele ke sa mara bazulu ke mmere kwa bona bonkabi bo taxi driver ka se ba sona bo Zuma ba thome ba la dinkabi gane
Zuma ke mara ke na
ale na ke mo frustana Zuma ona president ke frustana o sana le yo sekuba lapha 1 hour ya sikhulumile today ke nana Hayi izo sesikhathe sivaleni asishongo nokuthi shout out to DJ Spoof for more fire bafethu le lapha bathini vitamin thing le ka robot boy bafethu flavor tone le blueberry le pusha passion bafethu le cherry blossom bafethu this is original if ginger sibali Oh, ginger nayo la bafethu. Yeah, shout out to Stefina Pasha for the books bafethu. If you want the books, scan the IQR code on the screen bafethu to purchase the books bafethu. Yeah. Anything to plug? Hello. Hello, next. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow, comment and share bafethu. Asivaleni kanjalo. Asithi we boo.
Msadi.
Mama sent
Khopela mo fire.
Tô melhor. What do you fuck your bitch on? Yes. You say you fuck. Yes.
What the fuck?
Illegal has arrived. What the fuck? Took time for you. Yes. Motherfuck. Your bitch. Useless. I'm green.
Sila. Location. Sila.